Uh, yeah guys, today now cook some seasoned rice, Jamaican style. You see that? Yeah, seasoned rice guys. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. A be a badness in a Nicholas kitchen. Remember me tell you guys, that one I go wicked. Yeah guys, so see me have some coconut to me blend up in a blender. I go squeeze them out and now I make you see what I go on. Guys, I be a badness. Yeah guys, so me put in my coconut juice. When it start boil up, I go make you see what I go on, put in my rice. You don't know about badness already. Guys, me soon come back. Season rice guys. Yeah guys, so I put in my rice now, so stay tuned for the finishing look. Yeah guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a seasoned rice. I also have some homemade pumpkin juice, pumpkin, carrot and Irish. You don't know about badness go guys. Yeah guys, so see you in our next video. I'm out.